So freestyle, here you have it. Our saltfish fritters is now completed, guys. Nice and golden, nice and crispy, as you can see for yourself.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hurricane Freestyle Adventures! What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Hey my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. Hope you're having an amazing day. Freestyle today, we're back in the kitchen and it's all about a lunch kind of recipe, a breakfast kind of recipe, and we're talking about some saltfish fritters the rain freestyle way. But before we get into it, guys, I'm asking all my viewers, if you haven't just subscribed yet, just hit that subscription button and join the freestyle movement. You know the vibe. Freestyle, it's all about our saltfish fritters. Very simple, very easy to prepare. And right here are my recipe. Right here I have some flour, black pepper. Over here I have some chopped scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, some sweet pepper. And as you can see, guys, as for the sweet pepper, I'm using two different colors. I'm using red and I'm using orange. Now freestyle, we're gonna go back over here to the saltfish and see what's going on for it. So right here, guys, after boiling the saltfish for probably like about 15 minutes, I will go ahead and turn the stove off, as you don't want to have the saltfish boil too fresh. You want it to have that salty taste but not too salt. So freestyle, right here are my saltfish, and as you can see, guys, I picked them in small pieces, very small. Now I'll go ahead and put the saltfish in this container right here. After we put the saltfish in the container, I'm going to put my scallion, my scotch bonnet pepper, my bell pepper, along with the saltfish. Then what we're going to do now, we're going to get some room temperature water, and we're going to add the water to this. We're going to mix. Then we're going to add some black pepper. So guys, the black pepper give it a nice little flavor, nice little touch to it. So as you can see, guys, I mix up the saltfish and the seasoning and the black pepper together. Now what I will do now, freestyle, go ahead and we're going to add our flour. Add the flour you want to mix. So you want to mix everything together, guys, and to make sure you don't have any lumps. Make sure your flour is mixed out properly. And you want your saltfish to be all over in the flour. Mix it like that. So by now, freestyle, the mixing is completed. And it's time to get our pot hot, the oil, and then we're gonna start the frying process. So stay tuned, freestyle, you know the vibes. So freestyle, our oil is now hot, and as for your stove, you don't want to have your stove too high. Mid should be okay. Now you go ahead, you want to put your flour in. And as for your fritters, guys, you don't want to make them too big either. So like these should be alright. So we now have our fritters in the pot, freestyle, so just stay tuned. You know the vibe. So freestyle, it's time for us to go ahead and turn our fritters. And guys, as for me, I like my fritters nice and crispy, well done. So as you can see guys, they're coming along nice and lovely. Beautiful. So I'm gonna give this batch probably like about 4 to 3 more minutes, then we should be completed. Stay tuned, freestyle. So freestyle, our first batch of fritters is now completed, and as you can see guys, nice and golden. Taking them out of the pot. This is how I love them guys, nice and crispy. This is the first batch of fritters. Stay tuned, freestyle. So freestyle, here you have it. Our saltfish fritters is now completed guys. Nice and golden, nice and crispy, as you can see for yourself. And to go with my saltfish fritters guys, I have a glass of organic almond milk. Guys, it doesn't get any better than this. So freestyle, I'm about to sit around the table and just dig into this wonderful lunch. Nothing too expensive, something just simple and nice, so you know the vibe. Now freestyle, these saltfish fritters is life. Nice and crispy, nice and crunchy, and I must tell you guys, it's a combination of taste. I mean the sweet pepper, the scotch bonnet pepper, the scallion, the thyme, combined with the saltfish, and I must tell you guys, the flavor is just amazing. To taste it, just to believe it. Saltfish fritters or rain freestyle, we have to go with it guys. As you can see, I have some almond milk and it's just a vibe. Until next time, freestyle. Catch you in the next one. You know the vibes. Freestyle. Like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, the subscription button. Enjoy the movement. Freestyle.